If you love updos but you don't love how much time they take, you're going to be amazed with this one. This is my everyday side Dutch braid. I have flared it out, and this time I've braided all the way as far as I can to the end. Now what I want to do is make as much of this braid show as possible. So I'm going to be curling the braid upwards, wrapping it around, and tucking the end under. Once I have the end hidden, I'm just going to be tightening it up a little bit by coiling it here so it's all up against itself. And now we're going to pin it in place. And that is it. As long as you have your braid flared out, it's going to pin into place very snugly and easily. Just feel for any loose spots and place in a pin as needed. It is absolutely gorgeous, elegant. It looks so detailed, as if you spent hours in a professional salon having this done. And as you know, this takes about 5 minutes.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Since this is a short one, I really wanted to take time at the end to feature these earrings because I am so in love with these earrings. They're like a rose gold, not quite a copper, just the perfect color that I have been searching for a long time to pair with a lot of my outfits. That neutral earrings just were not giving me the pop that I was looking for. So I got these because a friend of mine was selling them, and I always love to support my friends. If you have friends and family that are selling something, obviously they believe in it, obviously they have a dream that they're going for. A lot of these are newer moms who want to stay home with their kids, or they're planning a family, something like that. So really have a heart to serve others and support them if you can. I don't have a lot of extra money to be purchasing a lot of jewelry for myself, but I thought, you know, this is a worthy cause to support a friend and see why she's interested in it, because I know that things that I support and that I'm passionate about and that I share, there's a reason why. So it's always fun to find out other people's reasons why. So long story short, I found these, I fell in love with them and ordered them on her website. And I was really kind of hesitant because they're not silver and they're not gold. And typically my skin is so sensitive. I mean, I had a horrible experience getting my ears pierced. I can tell you that some other time. But basically, if I don't use silver or gold, my ears will get infected eventually. They'll be so sore and angry with me. So this was kind of an experiment to see if something outside of that would actually work, or if I'd have to change out the hooks. So I wore them for 24 hours. I kept checking in the mirror. My ears aren't red, they're not sore. And at the end of the day, nothing had happened. My ears felt perfectly fine. They looked great. They were still great the next day. Wow, so I'm really impressed with the quality of these. I mean, I wouldn't think that I could give higher ratings than that, but then when I learned a little bit about Premier Design, which is the company that this comes from, and how they support missions like Joni and Friends and other missions, and a majority of their profits go toward that, as well as having a heart to serve people who want to have an in-home business, people who need the extra income for raising their children, being able to stay at home with their kids rather than having to work a second or third job. That really got me excited that I was able to be a small part of supporting this and supporting my friend. So I wanted to share that with you in case you're looking for jewelry, or if you like companies with extra perks that you can earn free jewelry, and you definitely want to support a company with good integrity and that is helping other people and not just in it for the profit. So I am completely 100% happy with my purchase, and if I see jewelry from them that I want in the future, I know that I can purchase without having to worry about it. And they also have a guarantee, so if you're not satisfied, they'll take care of you right away, and my friend is awesome with her customer service. So I'm going to put a link for her and the company below so you can look into that. You're going to be really excited about it, and I'm happy to support her. Thank you so much for watching this hairstyle. I hope it helped you, and with this technique that I showed you, you can turn any braid that's down into a gorgeous updo, whether you just need your hair up and out of the way, or you're turning this into a beautiful evening look. I try to put out videos like this every single weekend, so if you hit like, that lets me know that you enjoyed this. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can make sure that you're seeing all of my future videos for more hair and beauty inspiration for you. Bye-bye.